inside the lip here. That's how we know all the air is exhausted through the hood. So it's in between 10 and 15. Now we'll transfer that to our Erlenmeyer flask and add the hexane. Just enough hexane to be able to transfer to the column. And then you leave behind some solid with the hexane. We can collect it from the column and then use that to wash it back down. The piston, and then screw it on, and then it should make a good tight seal. And then open the valve and let it drain into the test tube. And then I'll just push, and then you want to stop when you get the liquid down to the bottom. And what you should see is the layer becomes much more transparent. So I'll just move this up so we can see the silica gel. So we can see it's way more transparent here than it was before. So a couple pushes like that and we should be good to go. Having those air bubbles present just makes it harder to get a good separation. So now that it's stopped, I can open this up, add more hexane back to it, put it back, and now I can push again. And usually you can see air bubbles come out as we go. It's just really fast. Alright. So that's a good column for what we need if we silica gel waste, and we put it in there, and this wrench here we'll take the tube off of the end of it and put it onto the bottom. We want to load it with pressure. So sometimes it can be difficult to fit it on there. If it is, you can simply take it off and it'll be the same fitting as this. And then we'll invert it and open the valve, and now we simply just push and it comes off. And again, we can actually, now we can use the Lure-Lock connection and we can take it off and do it a second time. But you can see we didn't even need to, it fell out. So we'll simply rinse it,